What's up, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're going to be tackling the sway bar bushings on our 2010 JKU. Alright guys, so when we're off-roading in this thing and we're rocking side to side, we're hearing a little bit of commotion here coming from the front end. And if you look at our sway bar here, these bushings are pretty much ovaled out here on both sides. See this side here and this side here. So we went ahead and ordered some Delphi Technologies. Here's the part number. I'll throw these in the video description down below. Sway bar bushings. You'll see them here. Now, when I originally got these bushings, I was kind of confused because they are one solid piece. In all the other Jeeps that I've worked on, mainly XJs, there's a cut right here that allows you to take the sway bar bushing off of the sway bar without dropping the whole sway bar. So what I went ahead and did is I took a razor blade and made a nice clean cut. This is going to save you a whole bunch of time because you're not going to have to drop the sway bar, you're not going to have to pull your end link off, and then you're not going to have to fight this bushing all the way around. You're just going to be able to slide it on. Now, looking at the way this bushing wore, it wore a lot more on the side facing the rear of the car. So we're going to put the side with the cut facing the front, where it is less likely to be damaged. So we're going to go ahead. These should be 16 millimeter nuts or bolts. We're going to go ahead and pull this one down. I'm probably going to have to cut this bushing off, and then I'll show you how we're going to install our new one. Tell YouTube, Maverick, say I'm helping my daddy. Helping daddy. On the camera. You're recording? Yeah. What? No. No, Mommy. You're here on chicken feet? Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Papi, come open, Mommy. Alright guys, so what we did here is we just dropped the sway bar off of the brackets, so you'll see it's hanging down. I went ahead and pulled that metal bracket, I guess you'd call it, off of the rubber. I'm going to do the same thing over here to this one, and then we're going to work on cutting these bushings. I'm just going to cut them, again, with a razor blade, right down the middle, pull them off. We're going to take our new ones, wherever they are, right here, grease them up, put them on. It's a ratchet.
This is Daddy.
Yeah, it's Daddy's ratchet.
How can we do this? We want to do Tai Chi. Do Tai Chi. I eat it. I eat it. I eat it. This is Tai Chi. What's it?
This is a sway bar, buddy.
This is H bar? Dad, I have to go back on.
Alright guys, so like I said, here's our new one. We're going to put our cut facing backwards because of the way that this wore. Most of the wear was on the front, so the cut, like I said, is going to go on the back like this. We just have some dielectric grease here, like silicone. we're going to go ahead and put on the inside of the bushing like so, just to lube it up before we put it on. Alright guys, again, this one, cut it, get it off, get our new one, grease it up, put it on. Alright guys, like we said, we're going to face our cut here that we made towards the front. We already went ahead and greased this up. We're going to go ahead and slide it into place. Now we can lift the sway bar up, start our bolts here, right up here, and get our brackets in. Alright guys, so we went ahead and cleaned this guy off here with an old toothbrush, just cleaned it up. We're going to go ahead and spray a little bit of lube in here, and then we're going to slide this bracket up and over the bushing like so. You're going to want to check in these little cavities here. You'll see the little rubber stoppers. We went ahead and pre-anti-seized one of our bolts. We're going to go ahead and get the bracket started. Alright guys, we got some anti-seize on this one too. Go ahead and slide it up into place and just very slowly get it started. And we're just going to snug these up slightly until we can go ahead and get the other side started. Alright guys, and here's your finished product. You just did your sway bar bushings on your 2007 to 2018 Wrangler JKU without completely removing your sway bar. So if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.